Hello guys, welcome to a new video. I hope you guys are doing well. This is a part of a series that I started about Robinhood or quickly executing the trades within 5 minutes in Robinhood. I have already created a video about cash secured put and covered call, so you can check them out once you watch this one. So today's video I'm going to focus on the call credit spread, how you can quickly execute in 8 simple steps in Robinhood. So let's start. Okay, step 1 is you go to the stock of your choice. In this example, I'm using AMD. That's what I primarily use for my spreads trades. So you go to the stock. Now step 2 is you select trade and go to the options chain. Step 3 is selecting the expiry date, and that should be about 30 to 45 days. Why is that? Because that's the time duration where your the expiration, the theta curve, right, that is at your maximum decay level, as you can see from this graph. So that's why we choose always go for 30 to 45 days whenever you do any kind of options strategy. So I'm going to go here and select October 27th, which is a month out from now. Now step 4, now this is very important that you select this is the first of your leg, so you do select sell, call, and then the strike price, right? So the strike price has to be, in this case, as call credit spread is kind of a neutral to bearish strategy, the sell call strike that you would select, your ideal situation would be that you do not want AMD to cross 108 in a month. So that is the main idea behind this strategy. Now step 5 is, once you have selected the sell call strike, the next thing you do is you select a strike price for the buy call. So you select buy a call, you buy right above your sell call, right? So 109 that you select here. Now step 6 is you review your profit and loss. So in this case in Robinhood there's a graph that you will see, right? So as you can see, right, your total credit here was your expected profit and loss is $27, right? And your max loss in this case is whatever you had put in a capital, right? So you put $100 as a collateral and you are getting a $27 of credit. So your max loss is just $73 in this trade, right? It is a pretty nice strategy if you have a smaller account. Now step 7 is selecting the limit price. So as you can see, there are two prices here, bid and ask. If you want this trade to get executed instantly, always go with the lower option because you are getting a credit. So I'm going to go with like 27, right? So you go with this one. So the final step is once you see your profit and loss, you make sure that everything is right, you just submit. So that was it guys for this video, and I really hope that you like this video. If you did, please consider subscribing and pressing that bell icon so you know when my next videos are coming. And as I said, there are already 2 videos out for this series which are on the cash secured put and covered call, so do check them out as well. Happy investing guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.